Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, this is the part 6 of learning Microsoft Excel from basic to advanced level. So in this video we will discuss the remaining tools that are available in the home tab in the Microsoft Excel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos, and also if you want to learn the different softwares related to civil and structural engineering, so you can visit my channel. In the playlist, the different courses of softwares available in detail, and you can learn very easily. So let's start the today's um, topic, in which we will be discussing the different tools we available in the home tab in the Microsoft Excel. In the previous videos we have discussed the different tools and their function till here the alignment, and now we will be proceeding to learn these different other tools available in the home tab and their functions, along with the help of examples for the purpose to clearly understand. So here in the numbers category of tools, these are the different tools associated with the numbers, and Excel is basically what we will playing and analyzing and interpolating the data, which is basically the numbers most of the time. So here the first one is the general. So in general you can apply the no specific format in case of the generals, but in here then there should be a different specific format if you want to apply. And so in the general you can provide anything as per your requirements, that is maybe ABC 1 2 3. But in case if you want to write, let's suppose 20, and if you want to show with this 20 currency, so you can click on the currency and now you can see the currency symbol has been added to the 20, and this is now became a 20.00. Through this you can from here you can remove the uh, precision. Now you can see, and from here you can add the precision. So these are the simple tools available by default in the main window in the home tab of the Microsoft Excel. So now if you want to show the date, so from here you can add the date. Now you can see it has been added with a date. If you want to write 1 in add, so the 1 will become a date. If we want to write 2, now the 2 will be a date if you have applied the date. So now it becomes general. If you want to apply the date and write 2 and then select another cell, so it will become a date, right? So through this you can apply a specific format to a specific cells depending on your requirements. And from here you can also add the times. So if the time is selected and you click is to be 2, and now you can see it has been assigned with the time. If you want to show in percentage and click this, now this will show in the percentage. Now you can see. If you want to show in the fractions, so it is a whole number. But if you want to show in the scientific way, so this is in the scientific way. So depending on the requirements, you can uh, apply any desired specific format. So now here this is the symbols. If you want to apply like the dollar symbol, there are some options like euro, English, UK dollar, English, Chinese, French. So you can, now this is the French currency, and if you want to apply the percentage, so it will become simply percentage. You want to apply a point, so this will be 2.00. And if you want to increase the precision, so from here you can increase. If you want to decrease the precision, so from here you can decrease. So this was what the different tools associated with the numbers in the Excel. And if you want to customize, so from here you can customize the different tools available in the numbers. So now we will discuss the conditional formatting, and we have discussed these tools with the help of examples. And now what is meant by the conditional formatting? In the conditional formatting, you can apply a condition to your data in the Excel, and this is very important and plays a very key role while working on large data to make your desired things to be changed, or if you want to something in a large data, you can use the conditional formatting, which will make your working more quick and more precise. So let's start to uh, understand the conditional formatting. And in the conditional formatting, you basically apply a conditions to the data to find your final results. Means like if you want to uh, select or find the value that is greater than something, some value available in a large data, so you can use simply this conditional formatting of the greater than. You can highlight, let's suppose if there is a data, let's suppose 1 3 2 4 9 6 4 6 7 10 20 12 14, and now we want to find that which is the greater value in this data. So you can apply the conditional formatting, and in the conditional formatting highlight cell rules when select on the greater than. In the cell rules, highlight cell rules, there are some different options, and from here you can also use the other rules. There is some more rules available here. From here you can manage. So when you click on the conditional formatting and click on the greater than, so if we want to make or find a value which is greater than 15, let's suppose, and click on the OK. So now you can see in this whole data there is only one value which is greater than 15, and this is highlighted. Now you can see by the conditional formatting, which is 20. So now if you have a large amount of data and you want to measure or to find the value which is greater than some specific uh, limit, and you want to highlight, so you can highlight. Now if I want to find suppose the value that is greater than 10, and then click OK. Now you can see, first we will select the data, and then we'll click on the conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, we'll click on the highlight cell rules and we'll click on the greater than. So now if we want to select values that is greater than 10 and select OK, so now you can see the conditional permitting has been now selected and highlighted all those values which is greater than 10. So there are three values which is 20, 12 and 14 which is greater than 10 in this whole data. So this is what the functions of the conditional formatting. And in the conditional formatting, which is the highlight cell rules, and in the highlight cell rule the sub rule which is the greater than conditional formatting. So if you want, this is the less than. So if we want to highlight the values which is less than some values, so first we will select and then we'll click on this conditional formatting and highlight cell rules. We'll select on the less than. So we want to select values which is less than 8 and click OK. Now you can see all the values which is, first we will remove the conditional formatting and now we will select from the start. So we'll select and we'll apply the conditional formatting of less than, which is 8, and we'll click OK. Now you can see all the data means the numbers which is less than 8 has been now selected, means highlighted in the data. You can see 1, 2, 4, 4, 6 and 7. So this is what the numbers which is this in 8 and has been highlighted. So this is what the functions of the conditional formatting. So if you want to apply the conditional formatting of between, so you can use the between, means that suppose we will first clear the formatting and we'll select and we'll clear the rules, means the formatting. So now we want to select the data, the numbers which is between, means between 4 and 10 and click OK. Now you can see all those values has been highlighted which is between 4 and 10, which is this one 9, 4, 6, 7 and 10. So these are the values which is between 4 and 10. So this is also the functions sub rule and conditional formatting in the conditional formatting too. So this is the equal to, if you want to find a value which is equal to anyone as per your requirements, you can apply this conditional. You can even apply the text that contains some letters, some words. So you can highlight those, or you can highlight a date occurring. Let's suppose if you want to measure or to see that the on a specific date the work has been done or not, or the something has been occurred or not, you can apply this uh, condition to know about the working or the details regarding that date. Also you can apply the conditional for the duplicate values from here, and here these are the more rules. From here you can apply the more conditional rules or your requirements as per your uh, data category. So this was what all about the conditional function formatting of the highlight cell rule. Now this is the another category of the conditional formatting, which is the top bottom rules. From here you can select to highlight the top 10 items, the top 10% item, bottom 10 item, bottom 10% items, below average or below, above average or below average, or there is some other more rules. So through this you can highlight the different values at the top or bottoms depending on the different requirements as per your categorization or your data. So these are the different tools you can apply by conditional formatting. The next one is the data bars. Through this you can apply the data bars. Let's suppose if we select this data and want to apply the conditional formatting, we want to apply the data bars. Now you can see the data bars has been flying in the different formats. So you can see par 1 this is this much, par 20 this is full, par 10 this is half, par 9 this is less than half. So through this you can apply the data bars. When you want to clear the formatting, you will select and will click on the conditional formatting and will go to here, clear rules, and clear all. So the next category, the next tools available in the conditional formatting is the data bars. After the data bar is the colors. Through this you can apply the different colors. Let's suppose if we select this one and apply the color scales, so you can see as per your requirements and your interest you can apply any colors. Means this is less color, means very low value, and this is 20, so this color is very dark. So you can see the different values in terms of the colors. The next category is the next tools is the icon scale. Icon sets you can also, if we select the data and want to apply the icon sets, you can apply any one depending on your requirements and your interest. Now you can see part 20 this is full, part 10 this is half, part 1 this is less, part 2 this is also. So you can see each bar is equal to 5. So part 20 this is 4 bars, which is equal to 4 times the 5, which is equal to 20. So this is what the set icons to show your numbers. So this is what the power of Microsoft Excel, through which you can assess your data in different perspective. And this is what the Excel software is using by different companies in the academias and industries, and even in the small corporations. Excel plays a very important role. So the next tools will be discussed about the format tables will be discussed in the next video. And now if you have any questions till now, we have discussed anything till now, you can ask in the comment sections. And also if you want to make a video, a separate video on the cell formatting of the different tools in here, so I will make them. If you are interested, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section.